the Honorable Judges, and Dr. Abdul Basit SAGMM as the leader of Man Insan Cendekia Serpong Tangerang. Respectable to all the comments, and also for all the participants of Sonic Linguistic 2022. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for all who watch this video, and may God bless you. I'm Nurul Hidayah from Fajar Islamic Boarding School. Well, everyone, start from postal system, telephone, and now internet. From using the horses, donkeys, cars, bus, and now airplane. From using animal power, steam engine, and all the industry are using the electric machine for their production line. All of this is possible because of the development of technologies. Talking about technologies, things that never end. Even scientists preparing the technologies to survive from the doomsday. Those are some examples as a human nature to survive and to make our task easier. Have you ever imagined how easy we are now to live compared to the post-World War II era? You could spend months to travel across the oceans, weeks to wait somebody reply letters from another country, or several days if it's just another city. Compare with today, 18 hours from Jakarta to Paris, 2 or 3 days to buy something on a marketplace. Millisecond to keep in touch with somebody else, even in another part of the world. Communication, transportation, industry has been already getting better since less than 30 years ago. An invention of transistor and Moore's law is the biggest part of this high growth. We can save and process big amount of data, while the size of transistor is getting smaller. But number of the data that could be processed is increased every couple years. And this high amount of data needs more advanced processing unit. There, artificial intelligence or AI began its role. Well, everyone, a lot of scientists, journal, article, and tons of video explain about AI. And of course, they are better than me to explain these complicated things. Because I'm not a scientist. So I'm gonna tell you what is AI as simple as possible. Artificial intelligence is a software that writes itself. Got it? Unlike other computer systems that we use to write the program or command the computer to do the things we want. Like you write the algorithm to solve the computational problem or anything else. But AI is different. And why is it so special? Why scientists call artificial intelligence is the greatest leap forward of technology. Because artificial intelligence is where machines are able to learn and improve by itself without any human takes part in it. It's modeled on human brain gigantic network, billions interconnected neurons. It's a bit like human who is inside something else, but artificial intelligence is much faster. Why do I say so? Because AI read itself at speed that we can hardly comprehend. And people who read it now that he can't take part again and figure out what it has done. It writes independently, autonomously, and develops its own way of thinking. It also has the ability to grow with their own experience. So, basically, in every moment, artificial intelligence is evolving. So, in the last decade, we have seen tremendous progress in how artificial intelligence can help computers see, understand language, understand speech better than ever before. Things that we couldn't do before, but now we can do it. AI has been making rapid strides and has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of daily life, work, mobility, economy, medicine, and communication. The question is, will it beat human skills? The answer, yes, it will. And in certain cases, it's already much better. AI beats us in many skills, but our humanity is not defined by any skills. There's one thing only human can do. What is that? DREAMS. Dreams. So let us dream big. Maybe just that for me. Thus I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.